So friends, now we have tried to develop a shared understanding of two concepts. One, what is a project, and we define project as, so as to say, not exactly a textbook definition, but a working definition. A project is nothing but a set of activities executed with specific resources within a specific time towards achievement of a specific objective. And then we tried to see what this cycle or the start to end of a project looks like. We're starting with situation analysis, problem analysis, project design, project implementation and monitoring, and evaluation. Evaluation being nothing else was redoing the situation analysis. Also appreciated that monitoring and evaluation is a function that cuts across the project cycle and helps us in delivering better projects. Now, there are many ways in designing projects we are familiar with. You can go about business as usual, and you can use some of the tools that are there to develop these projects. One concept that is very important while we think of designing project is result based management. Now, this is the approach of designing projects. Now, what this result based management is all about? Let us see. Now, we all know project is all about executing activities. So, we have what we are trying to do is, or executing are the activities, and end of the day we hope that these activities would lead us to those results, the developmental results that we are trying to deliver. Now, there are two ways of going about while we develop a projects. We can start from here, think of the activities and try to see whether those results are achieved or not. There is another way of doing it. Let us think of the results that we trying to deliver, and then think of what are the activities that we would be required so that these results are developed. Will there be a difference? Okay, let me take an example. I am constructing a dam. Maybe if suppose I am a person who is doing an agriculture project, I am constructing a dam and hoping that people would have irrigation in, let us say, X hectares. So, my idea is that by constructing a dam, there would be irrigation, X amount of hectares would have irrigated, people can take 2 crops, their income would increase. So, this is the result that I am trying to deliver, this is the activity. What is the probability of my construction of my dam leading to irrigation of X hectares? Yes, whatever it is. Now, let us think of the other way. I am supposed to irrigate X hectares of it. Then think of what all I require. Then maybe there are few more things I require. Maybe I require a dam, maybe I require a canal system, maybe I require a water user association, maybe I have to give people some credit for other things, maybe I have to ensure some other things. So, then when I start thinking like this, my activity sets start changing. I am getting more comprehensive on things. In this case, will there be a difference between the probability of achieving this result? The answer would be an obvious yes. So, if we start with activities and try to deliver results, the probability of delivering those results is not very high. But if we just shift our focus the other way around, shift our focus on the results and then backtrack on the activities, what all is required to deliver those results, the probability of delivering those results is very high. And this approach where we are putting developmental results in focus and planning those activities, as well as while we are talking about this development results, they become the focus of implementation, monitoring and evaluation. Our approach would be called as result based management rather than just activity based implementation. This will ensure us that we are focus towards our results, and there is a higher probability of delivering those results. So, present day discourse on monitoring and evaluation or project is targeted towards delivering development results employing a result based management approach. So, we are ensuring that there is an efficient use of resources and we deliver effective developmental results. So, we in a nutshell, if we have to say, there are two ways of doing things. We can start with the activities and hope that those results are delivered. The other way is to bring those results in focus and then back plan your activities, never losing the focus on the results. In the first method, when where activity is are the central of our universe, then the probability of the delivering those results is very low, as compared to when we have the results in focus and we are planning those activities, never losing the focus on the results, which will ensure that we are delivering effective and efficiently those development results that we want, ensuring that our resources that we have are optimally utilized and the results are delivered in the most efficient and effective manner.